Picture your best COO, 20 years of experience, razor-sharp instinct, can read a business with a single glance. Now picture them facing 200 locations, each generating thousands of signals per hour. Their judgment hasn't changed. Their attention bandwidth has. And that's where everything breaks. For decades, cognitive judgment was the most valuable resource in any organization, the ability to look at data, connect patterns, and decide. But that model had an invisible ceiling: human attention. It's not that your leaders aren't smart enough, it's that the volume of information grew exponentially, and mental bandwidth didn't. Every new dashboard you add doesn't reduce the load, it multiplies it. Every additional report doesn't bring clarity, it brings noise. And judgment, that scarce, irreplaceable resource, gets diluted across open tabs and Monday morning meetings at 8. This is where the future diverges from the present. The question is no longer, can AI replace human judgment? That's thinking small. The real question is, can AI free human judgment to operate where it actually matters? Think of it this way. A radiologist doesn't need to scan 10,000 normal images to find the anomaly. A screening system does that for them. Their judgment activates only when something requires judgment. The same applies to operations. The future of cognitive judgment isn't more information. It's less noise before information ever reaches a human. It's automatic screening, structured investigation, and only then a decision that demands experience. But there's something most people miss. Expert judgment isn't a document. It's not a 40-page playbook nobody reads. It's a set of conditional rules that fire in a specific order. If conversion drops on a Tuesday, I check staffing first. If it drops on a Saturday, I check inventory first. You can't write that in a manual, you encode it. The future of cognitive judgment in the age of AI is this: sit with your best operators, understand what they look at first, second, and third, and turn that into structured logic a system can execute. Not once, every cycle, at every location, without fatigue, without Monday morning bias. You're not replacing your best people, you're cloning their judgment and applying it at a scale no single human can cover alone. Now, the obvious objection: if a system decides what's important, what happens to what nobody thought to define? It's a fair question, and the answer is that screening alone isn't enough. You need a second layer, one that catches what falls outside known patterns. The anomalies the rules didn't anticipate. The difference between automation that narrows your vision and automation that widens it is that second layer. The judgment of the future isn't just faster, it's broader. It sees what you defined and what you didn't know you should be looking for. The last mile is the one almost everyone skips. The output of analysis shouldn't be a link to a dashboard where someone else does the work. It should be a written explanation, with the reasoning attached, delivered to the right person, at the right time. That's exactly what Scoop built. We sit with your best operators. We learn what they look for. We encode it into structured investigation logic, and the system runs it. Screening, investigation, anomaly detection, synthesis, and delivery of actionable conclusions. No more dashboards, less mental overhead, applied at a scale no single person can cover alone. Your best people aren't limited by their intelligence, they're limited by their attention. Fix that, and everything else scales. Scoop Analytics. Scale your best people's judgment.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.